technology's GPS. Hmm? Don't worry. Relax. Relax.
Busing.
Hmm?
May matadaan tayo like McDo. Magsiyara ka. Naiiyak.
I think so. Yeah, I think we can see some McDonald's there in
Can you stop
In-
if you see a McDonald's bulbul?
yes, we will. We will. There is a McDonald's in Cecil, the rest. Yeah,
Petrol
but
station and the petrol station on McDonald's.
yeah, it's the same thing. You can stop. She can go to the toilet.
Yeah. That's my
No, don't go there. Just straight in the head go.
We have the human GPS today, bulbul.
Mm-hmm.
Don't listen to your Siri.